Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create an iCloud account on a new iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, open your device's settings. It's a great app that contains an image of gears and is typically found on your home screen. Next, tap Sign into your device. If another Apple ID is currently signed in and you wish to create a different one, tap that user's Apple ID and then tap Sign Out at the bottom of the Apple ID menu. Follow the prompts to sign out. If you are running an older version of iOS instead, tap iCloud and then tap Create a new Apple ID. Then tap Don't have an Apple ID or Forgot. It is located below the password field on the screen. After that, tap on Create Apple ID, enter a valid birth date, and then tap Next. Swipe up or down on the month, day, and year fields below to select your birth date. Next, enter a first and last name and then tap Next. Enter your current email address or create a new iCloud email address. To use an existing email address with iCloud, tap Use your current email address and enter your email address. Then tap Next to create a new iCloud email address. Tap Get a free iCloud email address and enter your desired new email address. Then tap Next and again tap on Continue. After that, enter a new password and tap on Next. Be sure that your password fulfills these requirements. Once done, enter your phone number. Select the corresponding country and whether you wish to verify this number with a text message or a phone call, then tap Next. Make sure there is a check mark next to the verification method you selected. Verify your phone number for iPhone users who selected to verify via a text message. This may happen automatically if you select to verify using a text message. A 6-digit verification code will be sent in a text message to that number. Enter the verification code. If you select to verify using a phone call, you will receive an automated phone call and will be told to your 6-digit verification code twice. Enter the verification code. Agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have read the terms and conditions, tap Agree. You must agree to Apple's terms and conditions to continue. Enter your device's passcode. This is the unlock code you established for your device when you first set it up. You will then be automatically signed into your new Apple ID. If you would like the calendars, reminders, contacts, notes, and other data stored on your device to be merged with your new iCloud account, tap Merge. If not, tap Don't Merge. So that's basically how you can create an iCloud account on a new iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.